Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing a demonstration on paint strippers. We're gonna figure out which is a better brand of paint stripper to use when stripping varnish or paint. So today we have 4 different paint strippers we're gonna be showing. We got this one, the Easy Strip. Clean Strip. We got the Jasco, and we have the Total Boat. So before we get started, it's important when using paint stripper to use proper gears. Eyewear is important. A mask or even a respirator is important, especially if you're indoors. A respirator. If you're outdoors, a mask is good enough. Gloves, it's important to wear gloves. Most of all, eyewear. You don't want that stuff in your eye. So for demonstration purpose, we're gonna be applying on this piece of wood with varnish. So I'm gonna start with the Easy Strip. Just use a brush and just apply it everywhere on the varnish. So that's the Easy Speed Strip made by Pettit. Number 2 gonna be the Clean Strip. Okay, we got some coverage. Number 3, we're gonna be using Jasco. And number 4, we go into the Total Boat. I'm gonna take it straight from the can. The Total Boat Total Strip paint remover. This one is more of a paste. All right. So I got coverage on all 4 products. I got coverage. And we can see the Easy Speed Strip is already bubbling. Look at that. It's already bubbling. Not a lot of action here. On the Clean Strip, not a lot of action here. Not a lot of action here either. I can see some kind of action here. So let's give that a few minutes and we will show you the results. But in first place, so As we can see, in first place so far, we got the Easy Speed. Not a lot of action with the clean strip. Not a lot of action with the Jasco. In second place, I could see the total boat is bubbling right here. You could see some action here. But definitely the Easy Speed is working. So we will come back with the results. Let's give it a few minutes and we will come back with the results. But in the first place so far, we're looking at the Pettit Easy Speed made by Pettit so far, but in a few minutes we will be back. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So here's the results. This is what it looked like. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So now I'm gonna use the paint scraper and scrape off the varnish. Number 1 will be the Pettit. Here it comes off. With just one application, all the varnish came off. Just one application. Just one application, all the varnish is off. And that's number 1. Let's go to number 2, which is the clean strip. Number 2. Having to scrape much harder, and as you can see, all the varnish not coming off. This here, that's varnish, so it did not burn off all the varnish. That's varnish right here, that's not coming off, so that will take a second application to get it off. Let's go to number 3. Jasco. And as you can see, it's gonna take a second or maybe a third application to get all that varnish off with the Jasco. This what you see in here, all that is varnish. That's varnish that's not burnt off. That's varnish. So this is gonna take a second or third application to remove all the varnish. So now we go into the total boat. Total boat. Wow, it's almost effortless, I must say. It's coming right off. It's almost effortless. Look at that. It's almost effortless. It stays a little more moist, but with one application we got all the varnish off with the total boat. Yeah. So with one application, so the winner, who's the winner? I think there's a tie. There's a tie between the Pettit easy speed strip and the total boat total strip. There's a tie, the clean strip and the Jasco. In my opinion, it's a waste of money. Sorry guys, too many times I go to the store, I buy a product to strip varnish, and it's a total waste of my money. I mean, you guys better improve your product. You see on the can, it's to strip paint and varnish, paint and epoxy remover. Most of the times it don't. It does not burn the varnish. So we have a tie. We have a tie with the Pettit and the total boat. This is not a promotion. I'm out in the field, I use the product, and I'm just giving my honest feedback on which product works. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we will continue to promote working smarter, not harder. Keep on keeping on.